Guys, welcome back to Retro Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix you can't connect to any network on your Windows PC and how to fix this. This is what I'm going to talk about. So the first step is make sure that you are not in the Wi-Fi, you are not enabled airplane mode. If you are enabled airplane mode, then most probably will not be able to get connected to any kind of network. So first thing is you just have to make sure that you are having enabled airplane mode. And the next step is all about, you just have to go to settings and you just have to click on over here and you have to go to network and internet. Now from here you just have to go for network reset. So you'll be having trouble here when it is not connected, so it will be like you are not connected to any network. So if you are having this issue, just have to click on network reset and go for reset now. And once after reset has been done, your PC will be restarted and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And after that, if you're having still issue, most probably with these two the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.